You are a law firm and you want to grow. How do you grow? Do you do TV advertising? Do you do radio? Do you do billboards? Do you do SEO? I think the answer is kind of you do it all. Sure, you can get billboards, but why not open up different offices in the areas throughout the city so that you can actually capture market share in those neighborhoods that are not directly in the big city? So, for example, if you're in Atlanta, maybe you open up a satellite office in Roswell, you open up a satellite office in Norcross. These are different areas that are a little bit further away from Atlanta proper. And so the thought process is, do you pay $2,000, $3,000 to have a billboard on the highway there? Or do you open up an office and maybe have an intern work from that office writing content for you, because you do need to man that office? And then anytime people do searches for car accident lawyer within a 3-mile radius of that office that you have open, you're going to rank in the maps as long as you pay attention to SEO, and you're going to generate phone calls that you can actually track and attribute back to that office. You can attribute, what is my cost per lead? What is my cost per case for that office? And then you can kind of continue to expand that throughout the state.